Buongiorno YouTube. Trivia, something nothing, something a bit different, a bit exciting. We are winter hiking, international winter hiking in Romania. 2-day hike with a stay in a cabana up on the top of the mountain.
Searching vampires.
Vampire and bear hunting.
Oh yes, grizzlies.
Who have we got here? We've got Frank, you might remember from the Brecon Beacons, and Sean, and Den.
Hello.
You remember Den? And that's Vad, his brother. He's sort of our guide. He does a lot of this trekking. What mountain range?
Bucegi.
Bucegi.
Yeah.
Bucegi Mountains. How high are we climbing today?
2,200.
2,200 metres?
Yeah.
2,200 metres. It's cold. It's like 1 degree, wouldn't it, with the car? 0 degrees. And we're going up. Yeah, wish us luck. It's steep, it's muddy, it's quite slippery. Got the hiking poles out, and we're right in the cloud, right in all the snow, bracing ourselves for -6 up the top. But these walks are all really well marked out. They say to make plenty of noise.
Yo bear!
Not that, not calling the bears, but to let them hear you.
Yogi!
They'll avoid you. As like I was saying yesterday, they're just like cows, aren't they?
Yeah, with bloody big teeth and claws.
What's the progress report at the moment, then, Sean?
Nearly 45 minutes in, 1.2 miles, and altitude is 3,964 feet.
And what did we start at?
Just over 3,000 feet, isn't it? I think.
So we're going up,
Yeah.
and we're moving along in time and distance. Cheers. So you get up here quite a lot, Vlad. Yeah. And you were saying that you was.
This is my home.
I don't blame you.
Yeah.
You were saying you was here last week.
Yeah. Well, it was very warm, and
Yeah.
even at the night I slept on shelter, like a shelter on the mountains. We will see it on the road, but it was very warm. But now look, it's snowing. And,
Unbelievable. In 1 week.
Yeah, 1 week, just one night.
So this has mostly come down last night, did it?
Yeah.
Oh, it's getting a bit steeper now, but we're in good time at the moment, so we're keeping on because it's going to be steeper this afternoon. So if we can make good progress this morning, then we've got more time to take breaks on the way up. Vadim seems to think that we're making good time, so it shouldn't be too much of a problem to get up there before the sun goes down. But it is a picture, something else. You right then, chaps?
Yeah. Got a bit of signage going on here.
Yeah.
I think for the top one, I think
5 hours 30.
That's to the peak.
Yeah.
We might reach tomorrow, and I think it's 3.5 hours to where.
No,
That's not the cabana, is it?
no, we're just before the peak, he said.
Oh,
About an hour before, so maybe 4.5
Something like
hours.
that. I think a refuge is different to the cabana, isn't it?
Yeah.
A refuge is like a shelter hut, I guess. Emergency shelter.
So we're going up there now. Past those arrows. That's our mark.
We get steep for a bit. That looks like a nice climb up through there.
Yeah.
It was just a warming, so now it's starting to be more serious.
Kicking off now.
Yeah.
Nice. There's a lot of up, Frank.
Oh yay. Oh yay, oh yay.
That's a steep climb up here.
Big bear, little bear, this is Fast Leopard. You receiving me over?
Fast Leopard, Middle Bear, can hear you here. Can hear you here. Big Bear receiving all the messages, yes, all good. Big Bear. How are you doing, Fast Leopard?
We're here now.
Right, Dre?
Hi.
You, isn't it? That's a hike and a half.
Isn't it?
We did it.
We got a steep bit to go now.
You mean that wasn't the steep bit?
No, we got steeper to come.
Oh, so it's been a real tough morning climbing. It's just come up 12 o'clock, so I'm going to stop, some food, hot drink, chill. Well, we need it. We've earned it. You stopping?
No.
Yeah.
No, let's carry on, come on. Come on.
Sausage and bread. See? Soaking, is it? Yeah. Right. Oh, let me get a good foot on.
It's like a McDonald's up in the mountains.
That's it.
I'm going there.
I'm carrying on up there.
We need to be careful.
Alright, so we got to go home. You can have some
And
cheese on there as well.
Yeah?
Yeah, dinner.
One second.
No. Frank, dip right up. Tell us what happened, Frank.
I put my cake down and the bloody thing went on down the hill. Oh my God. Off like it's on skates, isn't it?
I don't want to get hungry.
Put it down, 3 seconds, gone. Went off like a bullet out of a gun, didn't it?
It better be good cake.
Woo! You found my cake?
Just don't drop again.
Yay!
I'm
Right next to it to get some perspective of the size.
That's alright, because I'm the one with the cured meat in my backpack. Hey? For sake. Hello! Don't come and attack us!
We got no markings, so there's a track there, that up above.
Well, whatever those footprints are, go that way, so I think going this way is
Out there?
a good idea. I think it is the
I
track.
think the track was over there going up.
Maybe it was, yeah. I think we might be able to go back, and it was
Going up.
up that way.
Uh-oh. You're watching something on
What
that.
about that?
Going backwards.
How about that?
Looks like a path there.
Follow the pussy.
We'll stick together making noise over here.
Nothing?
I think it's back there and up steeper.
I'll go back then.
Yeah.
We found it.
Maybe this is why they web.
Yeah, done it.
One day PO.
There, Sean. What's the facts and figures?
According to Garmin, we've done just about 4 miles,
Yeah.
and elevation is 6,119 feet.
You see-
Time-wise, we've been walking for nearly 4 hours.
Taking the views then.
You can see something there.
Yeah.
What's that? About a big stone, huh? Or trees?
Is that the thing we just walked past?
Yeah.
Yeah, because we went behind it and then this way.
About an hour and a half away from where we're going to stop for a cup of tea. What do you think?
Yep, and then we got another hour on from there to the cabana.
Yeah, snowing again. Right in the cloud, aren't we, Den?
I love it.
Wait to get to the cabana and have a drink.
No way!
Yeah, let's keep moving.
Come on, Frank.
I'm coming.
Come on. Hurry up. We're waiting for you. Move on, move on.
Have I got the blue bit in the front?
No, sort of to the side.
Yeah, baby. Gotta look the part.
Cabana Malaiesti.
So we're walking now on a bit of a, it's a bit of a steady incline, it's a bit easier. But I always find it's easier if you're talking
Yeah.
and walking and talking
So we start talking.
and you take your mind off it. So this is unlike anything you've seen on Summit or Nothing. You know, the start of a new era perhaps. I tell you, it's a bit daunting, the idea, the prospect of it. Didn't sleep very well last night. I'm more nervous about the height than I was the flight. But it's been a good climb. It's been amazing, beautiful. Looking forward to getting to the cabana, having some hot food. Got hot soup.
Woo! That's a Summit or Nothing opportunity, isn't it?
Shall I?
Yeah.
I ain't got the breath at the minute.
Guess what we can see, Frank?
See the hut?
Yeah.
Way! Cup of tea!
Cup of tea time.
Cornish tea!
Look at that. That's not our cabana. It's not where we're staying for the night. It's just where we're stopping for a cup of tea. Hello.
Hello, welcome.
Oh, that's alright, isn't it? Ooh, another banana.
Fresh enough to eat still, isn't it? Almost.
This one represents.
So that's the view from here
Yeah,
When is...
when there's no snow.
and yeah, it's
Oh yeah.
refugees.
Yeah.
This is this.
Oh yeah, looking out the door.
Yeah.
Now look. I don't know if you can see. I'm absolutely steaming here. But I've bought this new jacket, OEX, and the inside is absolutely sopping. Now I've took that off. But then I did forget that under the armpits there's ventilation zips. But yeah, I'm soaked. My jumper wet. I've got other fresh jumpers to put on.
Pictures, yes. Coffee. And some milk.
Doing anything.
You tell me to.
You feel the temperature change in, can't you?
Yeah.
Stepping out of there, the temperature's completely dropped now.
Need to get moving quick.
Cold. We've got about an hour and a half walk down to the cabana, and just stop and take these views in for a minute. Right up in the clouds.
Oh, that was nice.
It's nippy.
That was
already
nice,
or
wasn't it?
no?
Yeah.
Oh,
1.5 hours.
To the cabana.
Cabana.
1.5 hours.
So this is the valley, Tsignecht,
Yeah.
and we need to cross the mountains and go to Malaiesti Valley.
Right, so we go over the other side of that.
Yeah, this is the glacier. Glacier? Is that true?
Yeah.
Glacier Lake in the Glacier Valley.
Hello.
Bit of Cornwall coming by.
Hello, Mr.
Hello, hello.
Genecht, well, it's genecht.
Well, it's clearing now. It's absolutely stunning. It's beautiful. The last sort of, since we've left that hut, isn't it? It's just cleared up, and it's just magnificent.
Plane of brothers.
The Chuckle Brothers.
Still.
Been a cracking day, unlike anything that I've done before. See you later, Dad. Bye.
That's it.
Oh, you make it look easy. You show off.
We need drama, we need action.
Amazing that it's signposted, but just it's always good if you're doing something like this to come with someone who knows the area, has done this sort of hiking before. That's what I lack, is the confidence in these places. But I've reached a point in my life where I can't let the fear put me off things, you know?
Yeah, just go like, you know, like that. Yeah. Hello, Sam, nothing.
Oops!
We are really shy of camera.
Don't laugh.
Why not?
You laugh.
Why not? It's nice to stay positive, you know?
They're saying take your time because it's steep.
Yeah,
Take like an hour, 40 minutes or so to get to the cabana.
yeah, no rush, no need to rush. It's a really steep descent here, so we're taking it nice and steady. View's opened up again. So now we're heading down to the cabana, final stretch. Sean's down to one hiking pole, just snapped his hiking pole coming down there. Not the best time for it to go either.
No, still got one though. I extended it too much. Snapped the thread off the end where it tightens up, so it'll go back in, but it probably won't tighten.
Won't tighten up. Nuisance.
The second highest point.
Yeah, what, in Romania?
No, in
This area?
this area, so Bucegi it's called.
Yeah.
And it's above 2,500 meters.
Oh. Steep, isn't it?
Yeah.
There we are. The cabana. And it's still daylight. Panic not, Trevor, you did it. Day one, done. It was a slow, steady climb down there. Really steep, really slippery. Just take it nice and easy. We've made it.
Next we are hours to get to the point, yeah? You walk.
Where we?
Oh, the dog's there. I see him now.
Yeah.
Hello. Is this your home? What a home. Shit. Lovely smell of log fire as you walk in the door. I think we've got the place to ourselves, don't you?
Yeah, beautiful.
Yeah. So I got night vision on it.
Yeah.
We have some soup.
Mulled wine's what? Oh, is it?
Yeah. You getting any layers on tonight?
Yeah, because
You think it'll be really cold in the morning?
yeah,
Yeah.
very close.
Keep your clothes
All right.
close.
Yeah, because in the middle of the night it will be like very cold and
Okay.
Well, it's 7 o'clock and we're... Half seven, is it? Oh, it's a bit later. I've only had 2 hours sleep last night, so I'm quite happy to just chill and doze. But it's going to be a long night, but at least we're not in a tent. That's what I keep saying. We've got a fire at the moment, we've got some more wood to throw in. 5 to 9. The last log is going on the fire. We just can't get it to catch. It's going to be a long night without that fire on. Morning. Morning. Warm enough? Oh. Wasn't too bad actually, was it? So that was it wasn't a bad night's sleep in there, to be honest. We thought it was going to get cold, we pissed around with the fire, but in the end it was nice. Proper. Yeah, stayed warm all night, slept like a log. I needed it, I only had 2 hours sleep the night before. Now we're just going to get breakfast, cheese omelette, a cup of coffee, and then we're off. Another day full of hiking in these mountains. There's today's path. Up there. Hopefully it's clearing. See a bit of blue sky up there. And the views from up there should be something else. So they say by the time we get up there, the weather should have cleared out. Thought I'd better show you the toilets. Obviously up this high, nothing's connected to water, so that was good fun, first thing in the morning. So here we go, setting off. You can tell we're just about to set off because can't see anything now. The mountains are gone. Bye bye doggy, bye bye.
Tigger.
The wolf, the woolly wolf. So bye bye Cabana Malaiesti or whatever. Malaiesti. Cheers Cabana. That's where we come down yesterday.
It's colder today, isn't it?
Yeah.
It feels it at the moment.
Yeah, it says manners, but
I think
We're high up, aren't we? So
we'll warm up getting up.
that's where we were yesterday, up at the big cross.
Here it says in Romanian, glacier means route,
Yeah.
interziz means don't take, and Yana says in winter, so don't take this route in the winter.
And it's
route.
that route up there.
That way. I've always very risky team will tell you off.
Naughty boys.
Yeah. And maybe we'll just leave you there.
I don't think I'm going to go there. This is a rugged old landscape here. When you looked up, it looked like it was like a sheer climb. I'm sure there's going to be some sort of scramble or something that Vadim's not telling us about, but it's been it's all right so far. We're moving at a steady pace and all enjoying ourselves. Let's keep going.
Vadim says that.
So we're going to take a walk up that gully in a minute. A scramble up there.
You know what he's talking about? It's like a long music pipe and they go woo, woo, yeah. I'll show you picture later.
Horn.
Horn. Means like chimney. No, it means chimney. No. Yep.
To think a month or two ago I was worried about a scramble up Molshabod with Joss. This is a different kettle of fish entirely. Slowly, slowly catchy monkey. Oh, that was a bit harrowing coming up that little bit there. Hopefully there's not too much more like that. There's a hindrance with the sticks in your hand, you know? But then you want them again straight away, so there's no point putting them away. A bit frustrating. Oh, there you go. I can't wait till we're at the top. Oh, I want to compose myself after that. It was a bit, wasn't it? Hopefully there's not too much more like that. I'll be better once we're at the top.
Where do you live?
That's what I keep telling myself. Nearly.
Woo! Look at that!
Well, there you go. We got up there. That's absolutely stunning. Oh, amazing. That was, yeah, possibly the hardest thing I've climbed. It wasn't much. It was a bit trickier than that Molshabod scramble the other day, but probably not as long.
Right there, to the peak Omu.
What, this peak?
Yeah.
No, the further one.
Over there?
What is that? The right hand nipple.
Hmm.
Then we come back down this way and then
Okay. Up and left behind. Banter.
Trev. Stunning, absolutely beautiful. Walking up along this ridge line. Now you can see another cabana up at the top coming into view. See, right down there is our cabana where we'd stayed.
yeah, we skirted like round the valley, didn't we?
Yeah, we went across this side of it. There's that across there.
Yeah, that's it.
There's the hut. It's absolutely golden up here, it's crisp, isn't it? Oh, beautiful.
We see beautiful.
Photographer and cameraman after cameraman. Sorry.
Here we are, the tallest point of the day. And the tallest point of this area, I think.
Big smile, Frank, come on. You can do it, come on.
Well, look at Joey when I smile.
So that's what we've walked from up over there. Oh. Let's have a look here. There's the second highest point over there. Zine. That there is the highest point. So we're just beneath it. Oh, what a climb, what an adventure. What a landscape. It's amazing. Accomplished something, haven't we, Frank?
We have indeed.
2 bays from Devon. Really? Now we're mountain men.
And that is the highest point in Romania, even higher than Moldovano Peak.
Oh, right.
That point on the radio.
You got it, Dan?
So we have the map.
Yeah.
Where we now? We walk from here to this. Yeah.
Wow.
Now, but we stay overnight. We stay this
That was the cabana.
cabana, and we walk from here to this
Yeah, up there.
point,
Up there.
and carry on this on the left.
Yeah.
And this the views when it's not snow, and this the view from here other days.
Over there.
And this you can read in English if you want.
You're now in the central part of the Bucegi Mountains. Bucegi.
Yeah.
And some of the most spectacular mountains within the Romanian Carpathians. 55 hiking trails system from short accessible trails to longer but invigorating ones. Like the one we just done.
Yeah. Yo. Well done to us.
Well done to us. It's hot in the sun. We got closer, didn't we?
Yeah.
Here we are, 2,507 metres above sea level, and we climbed a good majority of that, didn't we? So, here we go. The highest ever summit or nothing shout so far. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Summit or nothing! We've just caused an avalanche. So we're back to the point where we came up that gully, and now we've got to travel up around here. What are we doing?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
6 hours.
Well, it's 5 to the car, isn't it? 5.5. More than that.
Yeah, about 5.5. Yeah.
We're doing alright, the cloud's in, but
Mainly
it wasn't when we was up there, so we were lucky with that.
Yeah, very much.
Yet again, we got to the top at just the right time.
Yeah.
And
Let's move, guys. Let's move.
come on, Kenny, how's it going?
Oh, I must say, enough up for one lifetime. It's a little bit of a hill. It's just dragging on me in the touch now, you know. Looking forward to coming down. When you're up there at that top, you forget what it's taken to get up there. But when you start going back up again, on top of what we've already climbed, yeah, feeling it now. Now we've levelled out, starting to drop down. I've been told there's no downhill scrambles. It's just all like this. Looking forward to it. We found cat paws, cat prints, big cats. You can tell it's a cat print because they're sort of one after the other, whereas a dog would be sort of either side, wouldn't it? Cats are sleek. It's getting a bit steeper now, coming down. We can't see anything, but you can always see the flagpole ahead of you. So, well, I must say, glad to be off that. We come down some height then, a bit treacherous. There's a lot more snow been dumped on this side of the mountain than the other side. As we were coming down there, a lot of snow to wade through, but now we're on a level plain, so yeah, it's a bit better walking now. But you've got to take care of when you're coming down a mountain. It's more dangerous than going up, they say. You can see why. Just one step at a time, making sure you got purchase, edging down there, easy. That's spoke too soon. That is what we just come down. Dicey. So, dare I say, it's levelling out again. But still as slippery on the floor. Well, there you go. Summit or Nothing's first international outing into the hills and mountains of Romania. So, thank you, Vad, for showing us the way. Thanks, Den, for suggesting it.
You're welcome.
And thanks to Sean and Frank for coming with us. It's been a good day, isn't it? Good couple of days. And thank you all for watching us. And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hopefully we've got another day's adventuring tomorrow before we fly back. So yeah, stay tuned for more Summit or Nothing in Romania.